everyone, my name is Riley L. San Victores from 6 Quarts. And this video is about bad posture. What is bad posture? Bad posture is when we are not standing straight or sitting straight and not engaging our muscles and spine. Bad posture also results in back pain, shoulder pain, stiffness, and an increased risk of injury. It can also weaken your muscles and bones. But what causes bad posture? These causes are from spending a long time sitting or standing in a bad position that can weaken your spine. There are also other causes of bad posture, such as genetics, injury, stiffness of the joints, and even stress. There are also effects of bad posture, such as headaches, low back pain, poor circulation, breathing problems, heartburn, arthritis, fatigue, neck pain, and hunchback. But how do we treat or prevent bad posture? It is by exercising regularly, avoiding to cross your knees and ankles, and letting your arm rest naturally, keeping your feet parallel to each other, practice deep breathing, try to support your spine, and balance your weight. Stretching before sleeping is also an important way to prevent bad posture. You can also change your chair to correct your posture.